We buy the best sports and performance cars daily. This has just arrived this morning. Again, the key ingredients that people want. Range Rover Sport SVR 2021, facelift model, animated lights, in black, the right interior, which are the two-tone black and white, which I'll show you later in the video. Carbon bonnet, not exposed, but you've got them great big aggressive vents on the top there, which just transform the look of the front end. Gloss black grille, badging, all de-chromed, Santorini black the colour. And then moving round, you get your 22-inch gloss black wheels, you've got your red calipers, all the vents on the wings have been blacked. So it's all fully black, the car, which for me is how I would spec an SVR. Black, I think, for me, is a bit more subtle. I love black in an SVR, but you've got that engine, you've got the 575 horsepower, you've got the look, the beautiful LED lights, big twin sports exhaust on the back, black badging, and it just works, doesn't it? We sell so many of these cars, and we're trying to buy as many as we can. Look at this interior. It's broken up, you've got piano black, obviously you've got things that you would expect, so we've got Meridian, you've got your memory heated seats, but look at this interior, look at the steering wheel, the Alcantara roof lining. For me, that is the interior to put on an SVR. I love the two-tone. These seats are heated and these seats are cooled, that is extra. Car's covered 2,857 miles. Got that beautiful ambient lighting, sliding panoramic roof inside. Again, key things on one of these cars. And other things you get, things like heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, obviously your touchscreen navigation with your cameras, your Apple CarPlay. In the middle also here, another great little feature, you've got your fridge, which lights up like that. And in your seats, just let you show you them. So if you've got your seats, you can see there, you've got your cooled and your heated. And then just little things, so ambient lighting, these are the extra things you get on the SVR. You've got all the different options to change the interior, and then you've got that dynamic program which kicks sports exhaust, and then you just get that noise and the car just pops. Sounds unbelievable, and the car's beautiful as you would expect. It's a 21 plate car, it's unmarked everywhere, still under Land Rover warranty, still under Land Rover Assist for nearly 3 years. So you're practically buying a new car because that's what it's like. It's beautiful. Again, in the back, stunning, beautiful interior, rear heated seats, rear climate control. And I just love the colour, the black with the interior. In the back, again, practical, aren't they? We sell lots of these because they're practical, big boot space, loads of space in the back. As you can see, boot space is huge. And that car, even though it's ticking over now, they just sound aggressive. But I just think the way that car's been spec'd, the colour, the interior, the condition, as you would expect, beautiful. The lights, that bonnet. What a car. £100,000, 990. For sale, price to sell. Call us, get it reserved.